Thanks for checking into WeatherBug here on this Monday. Meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. We have an event in the eastern U.S., and some of this will be in the form of a little wintry mess, basically from the Ohio Valley up into the eastern Great Lakes region. The northern New England states may also get some snowfall out of this. On the southern flank of it, we are talking about some severe thunderstorms possibly, and then, of course, continued cold through the week ahead. Weather maps looking a little bit more like January rather than November here. But take a look at our storm system, the center of which by late this afternoon will be near New York and the northern New England states. The trailing cold front may kick out some severe thunderstorms from near Pensacola, Florida, to Tallahassee, over to Jacksonville, and then north to the eastern portions of the Carolinas. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But some very heavy rainfall. And again, just on the northern and northwestern flank of this moisture, we'll have that wintry precipitation. A number of schools have actually been closed in the Ohio Valley from earlier today, but precipitation building in the Pacific, eventually working inland as we get into the next several afternoons. Here's that snowfall forecast, a very narrow band of snow in the Ohio Valley, kind of widens a bit as it gets out into the Great Lakes region. And notice all these plumes of snow down into the Great Lakes region. This colder air mass is leading to quite a bit of lake effect snow, in fact. But here's another piece of energy from the Pacific that'll be running inland as we get into the middle and end of this upcoming week. And what's going to happen basically is that, sure, it is cold this week, but that colder air retreats this weekend. We've got a storm system potentially developing on the southern flank of this colder air mass. That'll be lifting north, kind of warming things up a bit, but that could also bring us some rain, thunder, and some snowfall to the central U.S. by next weekend and into early next week. Things still could be changing up a bit as the storm isn't even on land yet. But the big story again today is the colder air. Many spots in the central U.S. still a good 20 to 30 degrees below average.